In the questions of Venn diagram, there are certain keywords that are used in the question, and you'll have to be very careful while solving these questions about those keywords. Now, let's draw this Venn diagram, a three-set Venn diagram. So, question says that there are a total of 120 people, and they are divided among the use of Twiggy, Bunzo, and Yumato. Okay, so I'll draw this three-set Venn diagram. The universal value is 120. Now, out of these 120, 18 people use Twiggy and Bunzo both. Twiggy and Bunzo both, that is 18 people. It will be the sum of this and this region. So, only is not mentioned. 18 people use Twiggy and Bunzo both. They are not saying that only Twiggy and Bunzo. All right. So, 18 will be the sum of these two regions that I have marked. Okay. I'll remove it. So 18 is done. 20 people use Twiggy and Yamato. So this is 20 and 15 Bunzo and Yamato. Both 15 Bunzo and Yamato. The number of people who use Twiggy and those who use Yamato only. So Twiggy complete is 45. So this is 45. And Yamato only is 25. Yamato only is 25. Done. Find the number of people not using either of Twiggy and Yamato. I'll look at it later on. If the difference between the number of people who use only Yamato and all three apps is 10. So only Yamato, we already know that this is 25. And the difference between this number 25 and the people who use all three apps is 10. Now the difference is 10. So it can be Yamato minus all three is equal to 10 or vice versa. So I can say that the value of all three can either be 35 or it can be 15. It can be 10 less than only Yamato or it can be 10 more than only Yamato. Now, can it be 35? Can the value of all the three be 35? No, it cannot be because it has to be less than 15, 18, and 20, right? Okay, so this value will be equal to, just one second. Okay, so I have written one value incorrectly. So यहाँ पे 25 आएगा. I said 25, I have written 15, so this will be 25. And this value, like I was telling you, it should be less than 25, 18, and 20, so it should be equal to 15. Now, considering this value, the value of only Bunzo and Yamato will be equal to 25 minus 15, that is 10. Only Twiggy and Bunzo will be 18 minus 15, that is 3. And then this value, only Twiggy and Yamato, will be 20 minus 15, that is 5. The value of only Twiggy will be 45, this entire circle, minus 3, 15, and 5. Okay, so 45 minus 23, that is 22, will be the value of this region. Okay, now what do they want in this question? So this is the entire Venn diagram that we have drawn. Okay, so let's finalize this. So this is the Venn diagram. Now they want us to find out the value of number of people not using either of Twiggy and Yamato. So people using Twiggy, Yamato, either of these two is this number. So people who are not in this area, so that means only Bunzo and people who are not using any of the apps, right? So this is what we'll have to find out. So now we'll have to subtract this. So whatever I'm circling from the total of 120. So 120 में से हम subtract कर देते हैं. So 45 already is the complete Twiggy. 45 and 25 is 70, 70 and 10, 80. So 120 minus 80, the correct answer for this question should be equal to 40. All right. So option B is the correct answer for question number 14.